Hello everyone, and welcome to another signing video with CodeSign Secure. Today we'll be taking a look at JSign with our PKCS11 wrapper. So if you've seen our other PKCS11 wrapper videos, this one is specific to JSign. Now I've already set everything up here, but we'll go through the basic structure of the signing command in this video. So we of course start off with JSign. So we're using the JSign tool within the wrapper. And then we specify our key store, which is stored within this config file. So if you go to actually set up JSign and the PKCS11 wrapper as a whole, you would edit that CFG file, that config file, and you would make all your changes there. Then we specify none for the store password, since we're using an HSM on the server side and not a storage system that is a software-based storage system. And then we specify the store type. So we're saying that it's PKCS11 that we're attempting to interact with the HSM with. Then we specify our key alias. So our key we'll be signing with is certain role test. And finally, our file being signed. Now, JSign allows you to sign a number of different files, including MSI, MSIX, .sys files, as well as PS1 files, and a number of different ones as well. Now, we'll just give this a second to run. And now that we've seen this adding AuthentiCode signature to the file, we know that the signing is complete. So thank you all for joining today for our JSign PKCS11 wrapper video. We look forward to seeing you in our next one.